There's not a single human being who's ever graced the planet that listens to tornado sirens to go to sleep, bro.
Alright, fine. I'll try to go.
Pretty sure I just fell your balls.
You did. Bro, it's too bright.
No, it's not.
Bro, I like sitting on my back. I gotta cover my eyes, bro. It's so bright.
Ron, turn off the tornado sirens!
Alright, so now I can't sleep. So now you want me to stop my sleep?
There's not a single human being.
That's how I sleep. I need my white noise.
There's not a single human being who's ever graced the planet that listens to tornado sirens to go to sleep, bro. Alright. Talk into the camera. Ron, no weird noises. Yo, high vibes. Yo, high vibes. Yo, high vibes. What's up? Delayed or good? Delayed or bad?